Good afternoon, beautiful ladies and humble gentlemen. My name is ThankGod Sunday Henry, and I'm here to present on the topic tips and tricks for effective PowerPoint presentation. My outline: the introduction, aim and objective, discussion 1, meaning of tips and tricks for effective presentation, discussion 2, best practices for effective presentation, discussion 3, design basic best practices, discussion 4, slide structure best practices, discussion 5, visual hierarchy best practices, then benefits of tips and tricks for effective presentation, conclusion and my closing remark. My aim and objective: to discuss the meaning and needs for tips and tricks for effective PowerPoint presentation. Then my objective: to explain the meaning of tips and tricks for effective PowerPoint presentation. Then to mention best practices for effective PowerPoint presentation, and also to mention the benefits of tips and tricks for effective PowerPoint presentation. My introduction: as we all know, tips means hints for things. It means hints for effective PowerPoint presentation, while tricks means shortcut approaches for effective PowerPoint presentation. Best practices for effective PowerPoint presentation. Tips and tricks refers to as helpful guidelines, techniques, and shortcuts that enhances the creation, design and delivery of a presentation. There are 3 best practices for tips and tricks for effective PowerPoint presentation, which include the design basics, the slide structure, and the visual hierarchy. Design basic best practices. Design basic is in charge of keeping the slide simple, choosing a consistent theme, using high quality images for showing image examples. Then the components of design basics: the title, the character, which is the words typed into the slide, the font size and style, transitions, animations, and line spacing. Then for the slide structure, is in charge of following a regular slide pattern in a good order form. Your objective must focus on a particular issue at a time in one order form. Each slide must have a heading. Then for the visual hierarchy, it's in charge of the title should be bold than the content. Color abstract, using best appealing colors to your audience. Ensure that your slide is visible against the background. Every content and background should be friendly. Benefits of tips and tricks for effective presentation: it improves engagement of your audience, clearer communication, enhance visual appealing, then increase confidence. An example image of a presenter. Then my conclusion: tips and tricks are important in preparing an effective PowerPoint presentation. They make you put your presentation in a good form. Then it makes presentation to be arranged in order form. Thank you.